I picked up this canvas at the dollar store. It's 11 by 14, and I'm going to start by using our gray primer by Wise Owl, and I'm not worrying about full coverage. And then while that's still wet, I'm going to go in with some black and just make some random passes to kind of blend it in, but not completely. I don't want this to be perfect. I'm going to grab my carbon paper, and I drew out this bunny, and we will have a PDF available if anybody's interested in grabbing him off our webpage, chalkitupfancy.com. You're going to take a pencil and trace it out, and you're just going to have a basic shape of a bunny. I'm going to do my best to explain this. I'm not a great teacher. I'm learning myself, but I started by just doing my lines with black paint. Filled in my eyes, and while the black was still wet, I came in with, this is Chocolate and Snow Owl, and I'm kind of going back and forth with the black and the brown tone while the two of them are still wet, so that my black lines don't look so harsh. So I'm kind of going in with my lines and then softening it with the brown. And I'm just trying to get a basic shape. I filled the ears in with the Republic Red and the Snow Owl, and then I went ahead and made a nose. It's just a triangle, and then created the mouth with the two hooks, one to the left and one to the right. And again, I'm just using the black to help shape things out, and then going in with the brown and softening it. I wanted to add some white around him just to give interest to the background, and I just did some dry brushing, vertical, horizontal, and then I just started bringing this white into my bunny. Guys, just be fun with this. If you want to give it a try, it doesn't have to come out perfect. And if you're not comfortable with painting at all, you could take our bunny from Spring Blocks and decoupage on here, or grab a bunny from a calendar or a magazine and decoupage him on to continue with what we're doing here. A bunny is a really easy animal to give a try with painting. And this is me just bringing in the white, softening it with the brown, and it's a lot of just back and forth until you kind of get a desired look. I wanted around his eyes and his nose to be a little bit more defined. And again, I went in with the black and then softened it with the brown and the white. I added the little dots to his nose. I'm loving the paint on my sleeve. So funny. And then went in with a little bit more white. Now, I'm really not good with whiskers, so I decided to wait to the end to do that. And now I'm doing a lot more dry brushing with the white because I wanted it to kind of start to look like hair. So I'm going to be using our Delicate Roses. It's our smaller transfer. And I love to use these transfers with my drawings, as they bring just some beautiful colors, and I just love the flowers with the animals. It just gives me a nice upgrade to what I'm doing here, and they're nice to incorporate. And they had some small flowers in this, and then I found the sticker at the Dollar Tree, and it says, "Do not worry about anything, pray about everything." And then it has the scripture, and I just put the banner across the top, and the flowers that were in the sticker just kind of blended perfectly with what I was doing. And then I added the words, "Do not worry about anything," at the bottom. These stickers are really inexpensive, and they are a lot of fun. to add to your projects. I added some eyelashes. And then I decided to just give everything a coat of the 1 Hour Enamel Clear. Again, I'm not really great at doing whiskers, and having this barrier is going to help me. If I have any errors, I can always wipe it back. Once everything was dry, I decided to add a few more greeneries to his crown. Just a few leaves. And here are my whiskers. And actually, I didn't have to wipe them back. I just went very soft with them. I added a spray of the greenery at the bottom with a small flower. And then I added a small flower by Do Not Worry About Anything. And there you go. Guys, I really hope you enjoyed this video. For other tutorials, go check us out on YouTube. You can now watch all our videos at chalkitupfancy.com. For any paint products, tissue paper transfer, or mesh stencils, chalkitupfancy.com. Thank you so much.